Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with a high-resolution image at 300 dpi and 1920 x 1080 or higher. Open the file in your preferred editor and inspect lighting and focus. Remove background clutter and crop tightly to the subject to improve results. Use basic color correction to balance exposure and white point before running any AI conversions. Save a working copy as PNG or TIFF to preserve quality and avoid recompression. Keep the original file separate for backup and future edits. Use Adobe Illustrator Image Trace to convert raster images into editable vector paths. Open Image Trace and choose a preset such as High Fidelity Photo or 16 colors for stylized results. Adjust threshold, paths, corners, and noise settings until shapes match the original within reason. Expand the traced object to convert it into editable vector paths and separate groups. Clean up stray points with the Direct Selection tool and simplify complex paths as needed. Export the final vector as an AI file and save a copy as SVG for compatibility. Apply AI-driven filters or generative models to add stylization or clean details after vectorization. Use layer organization and naming to separate backgrounds, midground, and foreground elements for easy edits. Refine paths by adjusting anchor points and using the pen tool to correct imperfect curves. Consider using neural style transfer or denoising tools for a consistent aesthetic across multiple images. Export final assets as AI, EPS, SVG, and optimized PNG at 72 dpi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.